Hello everyone, it's me Priya Thapamagar. Today I'm going to describe about the individual project process map video uh, in sustainable project management. The idea is mobile greywater recycling unit. Concept is a portable unit for households, buildings to recycle water from the sinks and showers for use in toilets or gardens. Talking about the introduction part, the digital process mapping has helped in visually presenting the project flow, decisions, stakeholder interaction, and the sustainability checkpoint accordingly. Furthermore, an integration of KPIs and the measurable targets have helped in monitoring the project success in terms of water saved, waste reduced, and carbon impact minimized. Moving to the next slide, it's about the project objective. The first objective is to design the mobile greywater recycling unit for affordability and energy efficiency, thereby simplifying the installation. And the second objective is to reduce the household water usage by approximately 50% through the enhanced greywater reuse. And third objective is to implement the mobile greywater recycling unit in pilot testing across the various UK cities within 1 year. And the fourth objective is to encourage environmentally responsible behavior by raising the awareness about the importance of sustainable water use affirmatively. Uh, as per Smith et al. 2023, an iterative process has further redefined the research development with the implementation of research measures and development, thus evaluating data acceptability and usability. The project objective can thoroughly be identified by suggesting the water stress, thereby utilizing the grey water measures. Next slide about the project deliverables. As suggested by Orgamolek et al. 2023, the new CAD tools can be used to build the grey water recycling management system, allowing the non-potable water criteria to be maintained. Talking about the sustainable goals can be thoroughly encouraged for utilizing the different eco-friendly components, thus encouraging the project usage with the environmental awareness, recyclable material management. And next slide is digital tools used for sustainable project management. And MS project tools can collectively help in combining the traditional and agile management approaches, thus encouraging the both similarities and differences of methodologies. These tools have further helped with ISO standards like 14001 and 26,000 for sustainable governance and procurement practices accordingly. And another slide is about the core processes and the sub process need to be managed sustainably, as a core process have been identified by initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and the closure, making the project possible for developing the visual representation with Gantt chart of MS project. As a feature of Microsoft project, the Gantt chart has aided in breaking up activities into the smaller chunks and arranging the project managers according to the amount of competition to maximize the timetables. Furthermore, the sub-process have been used to interpret step-by-step project measures herein. Next slide, about the process map design for presenting the sequence and interaction. Process design map has been developed by Lucid Chart, taking sourcing, testing, and prototype development into account, thus encouraging the environmental measures with the stakeholder feedback and engagement as suggested by the Sarawat and the Mathur 2020. The choice of Lucidchat has embraced the idea of like providing a means of visualizing a relationship between concepts and ideas. Furthermore, this process design has thoroughly been encouraged by resource overview and cost overruns, making the audits and reports in a positive manner. Next slide is about integration of sustainability by resource allocation and stakeholder management. The sustainability integration with stakeholder management has made ESG investors, regulatory bodies, and consumers engage and the Mendello matrix strategy to foster the transparency and the accountability. Regular audits, KPI tracking, and sustainable procurement have thoroughly been ensured to acknowledge an efficient use of biodegradable resources and minimize the environmental impact. Moving to the next slide, integration of sustainability by waste management and others. The alignment of sustainability with the waste management and others like circular design and ethical procurement can align ISO 14001 standards and ESG principles through the local sourcing and life cycle evaluation. Uh, Mobile Greywater Recycling Unit, sustainable procurement, stakeholder engagement, and the performance metrics have helped in managing the recycling rates and biodegradable usage to support its role in managing the recycling rates and the biodegradable usage to support its role in long-term environmental stewardship. Moving to the next slide, last slide, conclusion part. Uh, it can be concluded that mobile mobile greywater recycling unit project has effectively addressed the urban water scarcity through the sustainable greywater reuse. However, the support of digital tools, life cycle assessment, and stakeholder integration have promoted resource efficiency and the behavioral change. ESG complaints can help in aligning the global sustainability goals, further enabling measurable environmental and social impact affirmatively. The last slide we have reference list. Thank you.